I'm sure you've heard the news, there's a new chef in town. Actually, make that a whole zoo of chefs. Let's see what's cooking in this animal kitchen. First up, we've got a monkey flipping pancakes like a pro. Watch out, that pancake might just hit the ceiling. Next, a rabbit in a chef's hat is chopping veggies so fast, even Gordon Ramsay would be impressed. Over at the stove, a big bear is stirring a giant pot of soup, sneaking a little taste every now and then, because who can resist? And look, a penguin is cracking eggs with the most serious face ever. Utensils are flying, flour is everywhere, but somehow this animal crew makes kitchen chaos look delicious. Would you dare taste their creations? Let us know in the comments.